Hello, it's me again. Welcome to my channel. Please like and subscribe. Today we'll be going over some more Hollywood things. I'm going to put out several videos for the hell of it. So here we have Britney Spears on YouTube, and you can subscribe. Britney Spears did Baby One More Time, which is like a high school melodrama thing. She did a lot of good videos, like Oops, I Did It Again was one of her more successful videos, and she was really popular back then. Lucky is another great video of hers. She has a cool beat, and she's a really neat girl. So I know she's not mainstream much anymore, but she still puts out videos, and I enjoy watching them. She's got a great beat, and she's really cool and very sexy. Christina Aguillera, another sex symbol in Hollywood. My favorite video of her is Genie in a Bottle. I think it just really gets the message out to people. That's what they need to be thinking about. Genie in a Bottle. Let's see, the Strips tour, haven't seen it, looks pretty cool. She is just remarkably beautiful young lady, isn't she? She is so pretty. Here's Candyman, which is a great video, and it's got some army soldiers in it and stuff, and it's about having a pretty good time, army soldiers are good company. Christina Aguilera, beautiful, again, there she is, and she's just hot in all her videos, isn't she? I'd love to have a girl that pretty. So like and subscribe, Christina Aguilera, and watch her music videos on YouTube. Here's another one, Lorde, and she's new on the scene. Lorde Royals is probably my favorite video. It's one that I watch. There's another one, Tennis Court. I like that one too. That one's really neat. She's got some cool stuff. I think she's from New Zealand or something, but I think she's foreign. Led Zepplin is another great 60s and 70s band. You can subscribe to Led Zepplin and watch their videos. Greatest hits, chronological order. They're one of the best bands of all times. Really groovy guitar, drum, singer music, which we don't get much anymore because we have a lot of other electronic type things. So a lot of the music we listen to has other instruments in it besides guitar, drums, and a vocal. And sometimes it's nice to get back to that just for the simplicity and listening enjoyment. So Led Zeppelin is cool, and if you like Led Zeppelin, you like the Grateful Dead, Fleetwood Mac, Pink Floyd, the Beatles, the Monkees, and some other 60s and 70s bands. Tori Amos is a female singer. She's an excellent singer. She does great freaking videos, and it's just a really fantastic singer. And although I don't listen to her very much and not very familiar with her story, I did want to include her because she is an excellent vocalist. So be sure to check out your IMDb for all your favorite digital media personalities, and do something nice for somebody. Do duty to God and your country. Remain physically strong, mentally awake, and morally straight. And I will see you on the other side.